Question number 1. Who discovered the cell? Correct answer is option B. Robert Hooke. Question number 2. What is the functional unit of life? Correct answer is option C. Cell. Question number 3. Which structure is known as the powerhouse of the cell? Correct answer is option C. Mitochondria. Question number 4. What is the primary function of ribosomes? Correct answer is option B. Protein synthesis. Question number 5. Which organelle is responsible for photosynthesis in plant cells? Correct answer is option B. Chloroplast. Question number 6. What is the fluid filled region inside the cell called? Correct answer is option A. Cytoplasm. Question number 7. Which structure controls the movement of substance in and out of the cell? Correct answer is option B. Cell membrane. Question number 8. What is the genetic material in a cell? Correct answer is option C. DNA. Question number 9. Which part of the cell modifies, sorts, and packages proteins? Correct answer is option B. Golgi apparatus. Question number 10. What is the semi-permeable layer surrounding animal cells? Correct answer is option C. Cell membrane. Question number 11. Which organelle is known as the suicide bag of the cell? Correct answer is option A. Lysosome. Question number 12. Which organelle is involved in lipid synthesis? Correct answer is option B. Smooth ER. Question number 13. In prokaryotic cells, the DNA is located in the. Correct answer is option B. Nucleide. Question number 14. Which process occurs in the mitochondria? Correct answer is option C. Cellular respiration. Question number 15. What is the role of the cell wall in plant cells? Correct answer is option C. Providing structural support. Question number 16. Which type of cells lack a nucleus? Correct answer is option C. Prokaryotic cells. Question number 17. The organelle responsible for detoxification in the cell is. Correct answer is option B. Smooth ER. Question number 18. The site of ribosome production in the cell is the. Correct answer is option A. Nucleolus. Question number 19. Which phase of the cell cycle is DNA replicated? Correct answer is option C. S phase. Question number 20. What is the protein factory of the cell? Correct answer is option A. Ribosome. Question number 21. Which type of RNA carries the genetic code from DNA to ribosomes? Correct answer is option C. mRNA. Question number 22. What is the function of centrioles? Correct answer is option C. Cell division. Question number 23. Which organelle is found in the both prokaryotic and eukaryotic cells? Correct answer is option B, ribosome. Question number 24. What is the smallest unit of biological organization? Correct answer is option B, molecule. Question number 25. The cell organelle involved in ATP production is? Correct answer is option C, mitochondria. Question number 26. The process of taking in large particles into the cell is called? Correct answer is option D, phagocytosis. Question number 27. What is the name of the protein that helps in the transport of substance across the cell membrane? Correct answer is option C, carrier protein. Question number 28. The liquid matrix in chloroplast is called? Correct answer is option A, stroma. Question number 29. What structure do plant cells have that animal cells lack? Correct answer is option C, cell wall. Question number 30. What is the storage form of energy in animal cells? Correct answer is option B, glycogen. Question number 31. What connects plant cells and allows for communication between them? Correct answer is option B, plasmodesmata. Question number 32. Which organelle contains hydrolytic enzymes? Correct answer is option B, lysosome. Question number 33. What is the main function of the cytoskeleton? Correct answer is option B, providing structure and shape. Question number 34. The double membrane structure surrounding the nucleus is called? Correct answer is option C, nuclear envelope. Question number 35. Which of the following process is not part of passive transport? Correct answer is option D, active transport. Question number 36. Which macromolecules make up the majority of the plasma membrane? Correct answer is option B, lipids. Question number 37. What is the role of RNA in protein synthesis? Correct answer is option B, transports amino acids. Question number 38. Which organelle contains its own DNA? Correct answer is option C, mitochondria. Question number 39. What is the process by which cells engulf lipid substance? Correct answer is option B, pinocytosis. Question number 40. What term describes the network of protein filament providing shape to the cell? Correct answer is option B, cytoskeleton. Question number 41. The stake of thylakoids in chloroplast are called? Correct answer is option B, grana. Question number 42. What is the main function of the vacuole in plant cells? Correct answer is option B, storage and maintaining turgor pressure. Question number 43. Which of the following is found in the nucleus? Correct answer is option B, chromatin. Question number 44. The main site of ATP synthesis in animal cell is the. Correct answer is option C, mitochondria. Question number 45. Cell division in prokaryotes occurs by. Correct answer is option B, binary fission. Question number 46. Which structure is absent in animal cells but present in plant cells? Correct answer is option C, chloroplast. Question number 47. What type of bond holds the two strands of DNA together? Correct answer is option C, hydrogen bond. Question number 48. What is the main component of the plant cell wall? Correct answer is option A, cellulose. Question number 49. What is the organ responsible for cellular digestion? Correct answer is option B, lysosome. Question number 50. What is the function of the nucleoplasm? Correct answer is option B, suspend structure in the nucleus.